Several pioneering psychologists contributed to understanding of how learning occurs. First, we have John Watson. John Watson founded behaviorism. Behaviorism is a learning theory that emphasizes observable behaviors and focuses on predicting and controlling behavior. This theory suggests that all behaviors are acquired through interaction with the environment. It posits that internal states, like thoughts and feelings, are less significant in shaping behavior than environmental factors. Next, we have Ivan Pavlov. Ivan Pavlov pioneered classical conditioning, which demonstrates how behaviors can be learned through association. In Pavlov's experiments with dogs, he demonstrated that a neutral stimulus could become associated with an unconditioned stimulus to elicit a conditioned response after repeated pairings. Then, we have B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner developed operant conditioning, which shows that behavior is shaped by reinforcement and consequences. In operant conditioning, behaviors are strengthened or weakened depending on whether they are followed by reinforcement or punishment. Operant conditioning can be a powerful tool in classroom settings, as it helps to reinforce desired behaviors and discourage unwanted ones through the use of rewards and consequences. For example, teachers can give praises, stickers, or extra credit to students who participate actively in class discussions or help others. This positive reinforcement encourages continued participation among students. Teachers can also provide immediate positive feedback for correct answers or constructive behaviors. This helps reinforce these actions, making students more likely to repeat them. If the class stays on task and shows good behavior throughout the week, the teacher can also reduce the amount of homework or skip a quiz as a reward. This encourages cooperative and focused behavior. For operant conditioning to be effective in a classroom, it is essential to tailor it to students' individual needs and personalities. Reinforcement and punishments should be fair, consistent, and relevant to behavior. In this way, students will learn to associate positive classroom actions with constructive outcomes. This creates an environment
Created using Powtoon.